so let's get everything ready to go on the grill, on the open fire. So I love this. This is a chefchaouen. So I've got this one ready. We're gonna get our vegetables going. Some beautiful onions, tomatoes, and zucchini that we're gonna grill up because it's gonna go in our Mediterranean salad. Nothing better than sitting here near the Mediterranean. Remember, we're in Akchour, so we're a little bit more inland, and we're probably about an hour and a half from the Mediterranean. So how inspired was I to make a Mediterranean salad? So I'm gonna do two versions, a cold salad and a grilled salad. So for the grilling, we're just gonna cut those onions a little thicker. There we go. So those will be perfect. These tomatoes are a little bit firmer, and I'm gonna cut those in a nice thickness as well. And we're gonna put all this in our chefchaouen. Nature here is so beautiful. I love it. Peaceful by the river. Perfect for the tomatoes. And then look, we've got every size of zucchini here. It's like we've got a little zucchini family. Got our little one. Just gonna cut those in half. Just remember, when you're grilling at home or out here, just make sure you get everything cut fairly evenly. There we go. Nice. And always have a nice sharp knife. That end. Get these ready. And I'm gonna put a little bit of oil and a little bit of seasoning on these, very little, because I'm actually gonna season them when they come off the grill. I am gonna use a little bit of oil. It's gonna help with the cooking. There we go, perfect. We've got a couple of these we're gonna put together. Those zucchini are big. Tomatoes, we have everything together too. The flavors blend with each other. There we go. Let's get some onions over here. One more tomato. Get that closed up. There. So I'm going to use a little bit of a regular cooking oil for this one, just because it's a little bit higher heat temperature. I'm going to use my hand here. There we go. Perfect. Flip that over. Nice. Rub that on the onions a little bit. Awesome. That's all ready to go in the grill. We're finishing off getting our vegetables ready to go on. We actually have these beautiful eggplants that they've been pre-roasted, but we're gonna heat them up for our hot grilled salad. So we're gonna get them here in the chefchaouen. Lots of eggplant. There we go. In here, a little extra juice. Love cooking outside. Look at these beautiful peppers. And again, these ones are already grilled. These ones are not. So we're gonna get these ones on. There we go. So this is like the pepper and eggplant chefchaouen. That closed up. Look at this, absolutely beautiful. These are gonna be for our hot salad. So with that, over here we've got cheese and we've got our olives. So all the grilled vegetables are gonna go in here together with some herbs. So let's get this stuff on the grill. We can't wait for you to see how it all comes out. It's a beautiful but windy day here today, as you can see. We've got our eggplant and our red and yellow peppers here. The eggplant's been pre-cooked a bit. We're gonna get this on. Our fire starters have done a great job. We've got our zucchini, tomatoes, and fresh onions. And we're gonna get this right on here. Fire's nice and hot.
قطبة وهذه
Our zucchini's falling out. Those are good, yeah. So we've just finished seasoning all of the chicken. And as you can see here, the wind is still a little breezy. The sun is a little bit behind me, which is great. So the fire's going. We love that we've got the family here helping out. So we're gonna get the chicken on the skewers. The seasoning, we've got the freshest seasoning. We've got some turmeric, salt, pepper. So let's get our chicken skewers on here. There we go. These are gonna grill up. We're gonna keep an eye on those. Perfect. We've rinsed off our herbs. We've got some beautiful fresh parsley, fresh cilantro, one of my favorite. With the parsley, I'm just going to use some of the leaves. Watch the wind here. We'll get some of our cilantro. This here. Just going to do a vinaigrette. That in here. I'm going to do a little diced onion. Some fresh sea salt. And of course some olive oil. Then I've got some nice fresh lemon here. There we go. And I love cracked pepper. Perfect. Give that a little mix. That's it. We're gonna cut up our cucumbers. Go in for a tomato. Beautiful. Wow, the sounds are amazing behind. Together. Now that's fresh. We're going to be enjoying this, and don't forget, we've got our grilled salad that we're going to be adding to this as well. So let me get back to that barbecue. Check on those grilled vegetables. Ah, these are perfect. Look at that. Wow. Perfect char marks, exactly how we want it. And these ones here are nicely cooked through. All right, let's go chop up the grilled vegetables. Get those with the cheese, because the salad's gonna be a little hotter salad. And now what we're gonna do with these is I'm just gonna do a little bit of a rough chop. Oh, I love that. That char, that's all flavor. This is the thing. Hopefully you get out wherever, fresh place, safe. There we go. Onions, just gonna separate those. There we are. Nice grilled tomatoes here. I'm gonna cut these peppers up just a bit. Oh, those are perfect. Nice rustic cooking here. There we go. And then the eggplant. Take the skin off some of it, even though that crispy grill is great. Not only is this delicious, it's gonna be so healthy. All right. Nope. Across the top. Just a little bit more of that beautiful cilantro. Some salt across there. We're gonna go in with our olive oil. There we go. There. Oh, nice juicy lemon. And we're gonna finish this off with some cracked pepper. We're gonna use the wind in our favor. We've got some beautiful olives. We're using a few different types of olives because, of course, when you're in Morocco, you're gonna use olives in your salad. A couple more green. Now that, my friends, this is what you call really good outdoor cooking. Keep it simple and keep the flavors there. So the meal's coming together. The chicken skewers are almost done. We have our amazing salads here. And every meal in Morocco has to be complete, especially a barbecue with hobs. I've cut this one aside. I love it. As you'll see those amazing ovens as you're driving down the road where this has been fresh baked. So I've cut this one in half. And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm just gonna put a little bit of olive oil on it. And we're gonna take it over to the fire. There we go. Playing with the wind. It's perfect. And we can check in our chicken. We're gonna take this over to the fire and I'm gonna roast it. I've got some beautiful fresh garlic here. Once the bread is toasted, we're gonna rub it down with that raw garlic. That's what's gonna complete our salad. All right, we've got that beautiful olive oil on the bread. So you can see it here. The chicken's looking amazing and pretty close to being done. And we just wanna get this crusted up a bit so that we can rub the garlic on it. And this whole meal is just about to come together. All right, look at that bread. Perfectly toasted. The trick is cutting a piece of that beautiful garlic in half. There we go. Oh, you can see the crust on the bread. Rub that down with garlic. Oh, I wish we had smell-o-vision. Smells incredible. Look at that. And then we're just gonna cut this. And of course, a perfect rustic finish. My garlic off here. Look at that. Perfectly done. Of course, my tea. And here's our beautiful salads. Like we said, we've got our cold salad, our beautiful warm salad, our chicken skewers, and our garlic bread. So we hope you've enjoyed Akchour and some outdoor cooking. I can't wait to eat. But trust me, I'm going to be sharing this with everybody that helped out today. So cheers, everybody. Here's to cooking outdoors.